above the window wall.
She always had a story to tell, and I loved to hear her talk. Hand in hand will always be, I'm forever looking around. You never know what I will see. Grandma, look what I found.
Why, Terrell, you found a feather.
Why do birds have feathers?
All birds have feathers. It helps them to fly and it keeps them warm. Feathers also help a bird to float on the water and attract other birds. There are lots of different kinds of feathers and lots of different kinds of birds.
Now it's time to sit on the swing. To hear it tell, what would it be? A feather story is just a thing. Grandma, will you tell me a story?
Let's see. Charlie the chicken wandered around the barnyard looking very unhappy. Scratching and pecking is dull and boring, Charlie thought to himself. I wish I was a different kind of bird. Charlie watched the barn swallows flying into and out of the barn. I wish I could fly like the swallows, he muttered. Don't be silly, dear. Chickens don't fly, said his grandmother Alice. Yeah, I know, Charlie sighed. I bet it would be fun to go swimming on a hot day, Charlie said as he watched the ducks on the pond. Don't be silly, Charlie. Chickens can't swim, peeped little Betty Ann Chick. Yeah, I know, Charlie sighed. But instead of another sigh, a strange sound came out of his beak. It sounded like cock-a-doodle-doo. Charlie's mother looked over at him with pride. You're going to be the best rooster this barnyard has ever seen. Rooster, squawked Charlie. I'm a chicken. Boy chickens grow up to be roosters, answered his mom, and the rooster's in charge of waking the whole farm every morning. And from that day on, Charlie the chicken, or should I say Charlie the rooster, was never seen pouting around the barnyard again.
That was a good story, Grandma. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Grandma, Ella, and me, Terrell, head back to the house for tea. It's time for us to go as well, but we'll be back, you'll see.